Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 3, this is your Workbook class. And in this class, I'm going to start unit number 12, being a good citizen. Citizen means a person who belongs to a community, such as a village, town, or a city. So in this chapter, you're going to learn what to be a good citizen you should do. Fair. Fair means when people are treated so that they have an equal chance or an equal part of something. In this chapter, the boy Asad, he won the race, but he did not play it fairly. You can see in this picture, he did many unfair things which he should not do. Kindness means treating people well and thinking about what they need and how to help them. In the picture given below, you can see different people showed kindness. In the first picture, Shafi showed kindness by playing. Iman showed kindness by sharing toys. Mrs. Ahmed showed kindness by carrying things. And Dada Jan showed kindness by reading the newspaper. You can also show kindness to the people you know by helping them with shopping, helping them with cooking, by listening them, by sharing toys, and by carrying things, and by reading a story, and so on. Now complete the sentences given on your page number 78. You have to complete the sentences by showing that how these people show kindness to each other. You may take help from the pictures given in the same page. Honesty means to be sincere and truthful. Here in these pictures, you can see some actions shows honesty and some do not. The first one shows did not show honesty because blaming someone is not a part of honesty. The second one shows honesty because the boy found someone's money and gave it to the office. The third one is not a part of honesty because cheating is not an honest thing. In the fourth picture, to tell the truth is also a part of honesty, that the shopkeeper had give you something extra. In the fifth picture, the action also shows honesty because if you done something wrong and tell the truth is also part of honesty. In the sixth picture, the action did not show honesty because you are well and tell lies to your mother that you are sick and do not want to go to school. In the next picture, you can see the boy is telling lies with his friends. It's not a part of honesty. In the next picture, to borrow some things from other and do not return it back is also a dishonest thing. And to keep the rules when during playing a game is also a part of honesty. Respect for others. To show respect for others is to listen them and to speak polite with others. In this chapter, a girl named Anam, she did not show respect to her teacher, Mrs. Malik. She did not listen her and she whispered to her friend during the class. Mrs. Malik showed respect to Anam by saying please, but Anam pulled a face on her teacher when she did not look her. Similarly, outside in the school ground, some children were playing and a boy hurt Mughal badly. Sunita helped her friend in standing up and she did not shout on the boy. She said to that boy very politely that he has hurt her friend. So she showed respect. Now complete this exercise given on your page number 81 um, after reading respect for others topic. So you can easily complete the sentences. Rules. Rules tells you what you should do and what should not do. In this picture you can see Mrs. Malik asked the children to look after themselves if there are no elders or if there are no rules, and they have to do all the work by themselves. They have to get their food, they have to go to school by their own, they have to wash their clothes, and they have to keep their house clean. They discussed with each other and said if there were no rules, so they cannot do all these things by their own. So there must be rules so everyone can do all these things easily. Now, from this chapter, you will be able to learn that being a good citizen, you should have to be fair, you should help people who need it, and you should be honest and you should show respect to others, and you should obey the rules. Now your chapter is completed. You have to copy these questions in your copy and answer these questions by your own. In the first question, you have to write being a good citizen, what you should do. You have to write all the things you should do being a good citizen. And the second question, you have to explain these words: fair, kindness, honest, respect for others, rules, and sharing. I have explained all these words in this class, so listen carefully and answer all these uh, words by your own. Now move to the workbook exercise given on your page number 48. In this exercise, here are some pictures, and you have to write fair or unfair in the boxes, and you have to give the reason why. The next exercise given on your page number 49. This exercise is about your school grounds. So there are two columns. In the first column, you have to write the notes about the things which are good related to your school ground. And in the second column, you have to make the notes about the things that could be better. Exercise given on your page number 50 is related to your topic respecting others. In this exercise, you have to write how do you show respect to these people when you meet them, during going into the school, during buying food, and during asking someone the way to somewhere. The last exercise of this book on page number 51, you have to write the rules of your school. You have, in the first column, you have to write what you should do, and in the second one, you have to write what you should not do. So total rules would be 10. 5 would be what you should do, and 5 what you should not do. Okay student, your chapter has been completed. Thank you for your attention.